Kjsea 2025 question 3. It asked, the temperature of a deep freezer was -8 degrees Celsius. The deep freezer was adjusted and the temperature was increased by 15 degrees Celsius. What was the temperature of the deep freezer after it was adjusted? So, deep freezer readings, maybe you have temperatures here. So, this is 0. So, it was reading -8 degrees. And you are asked, the deep freezer was adjusted and the temperature was increased. So, we are going to increase and add 15 degrees Celsius. So, we are asking, what is the reading here? So, the first thing is to understand the question. When you understand the question, it becomes very easy. So, by along a way, you would have, this is 0, and you have -1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is -8. You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. This question asks that, I hope we have written correctly this one. -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6, -7. This 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and so on and so forth. So, if you are going to add 15, so let us go 1, 2, 3. Remember, when you are adding, you go this way. When you are subtracting, you go the other way. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So your answer is +7 degrees Celsius. But you have to use the number line. They did not ask you to use a number line. So you could just write -8 plus 15. And this one gives you 7, +7. Yes, so if you don't know how to solve this, I have shown you using the number line. So when you are adding, you go to the positive side. When you are subtracting, you go to the negative. Hi there, have you subscribed to my YouTube channel? Please subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that whenever I upload a new video, you'll be among the first to see my video.